Experiment number 4.6. Data collection on the number of stomata per unit area on various plant leaves that grow in area of different humidity, and compilation of data and graph it to determine the relationship between the variable. Students, first of all we will draw a table of mesophyte, hydrophyte and xerophyte, and we will write the number of stomata can be seen under microscope. You can observe the position of stomata on the epidermis of the leaf and the separate stomata guarded by guard cells. Now you can draw a table and note down the observations, which are the number of stomata seen under the lens, hydrophytes, mesophytes and xerophytes. Note the reading. Now observe how to draw the graph. As you can see and observe the table, the number of hydrophytes were 30. So the graph of hydrophytes will be heighted than mesophyte and xerophytes. The number of the mesophytes were after the hydrophytes, so mesophytes and then in the end xerophytes. As the number of xerophytes were observed 12, mesophytes 20 and hydrophytes 30. So the graph will be plotted according to the number of stomatas. You can also observe that the number of stomata increases with the increase in humidity and vice versa. Thank you.